So in here I've got the gnocchi, the frozen peas and the broccoli, and I'm frying that. Then I'm going to add the spinach, I'm going to add the spinach and fry that up a bit. And let that wilt. Looks like that. Oh. Then I'm going to add the sauce. So creme fraiche, garlic oil, mustard, lemon juice and lemon zest goes in there. And a bit of salt and pepper to season it.